I'll be asking a question and there'll be a 5-second gap for you to guess the answer. Then I'll disclose the answer and add a note on that. As all of you know, quizzes enable us to enrich our knowledge. Here we have our quiz sets. Let's go ahead. The first question. Who was the first Secretary General of the United Nations? Who was the first Secretary General of the United Nations? It was Trygve Lie. It was Trygve Lie from Norway. The United Nations got founded in the year 1945 on the 24th of October after the Second World War came to a close. The countries of the world came together as they felt there was a need for a sort of world government or world organization to maintain peace in the world. So it was Trygve Lie who was the first Secretary General of the United Nations. Second question. Which are the two prominent political parties in the United States of America? Name the two prime political parties in the United States of America. Yeah. America has a two-party system in vogue. And the two parties are the Democrats and the Republicans. The Democrats and the Republicans. The Democrats have their symbol, the donkey. The Republicans have the elephant as their symbol. It has a dual party system, two-party system in vogue. The two parties are the Democrats and the Republicans. Now for the third question. In our human body, which two organs are connected by the eustachian tube? In our human body, which two organs are connected by the eustachian tube? The answer is the middle ear or the ear and the throat. The ear and the throat. To extend a little bit, the middle part of the ear is connected with the throat by means of eustachian tube. What is its function? If you have to hear well, then the ear pressure on the two sides of the ear drum will have to be the same. The eardrum vibrates when the sound waves fall on it, and the auditory nerves carry the message to the brain and the brain deciphers. We know it. But this will go on well provided the air pressure remains the same on both the sides of the eardrum. Now, how can the air pressure on the inner side remain equivalent to the air pressure on the outside? If there is an imbalance, we will not be able to hear well. As it happens when we suffer from influenza cold. But the eustachian tube, which connects the middle ear with the throat, sees that the air pressure is maintained on both the sides well. Okay, now we move on to the fourth question. I have a pencil in my hand. We always say, oh, the lead is broken. The lead of the pencil is broken. And we know well that lead is a misnomer. The usage of the word lead is a misnomer. Then, what is actually the lead is? I'll put it in a nutshell. The lead, what we speak of in the case of a pencil, is a misnomer. What actually is the lead of the pencil? Yeah, it's quite interesting. We always say lead is broken. It's not sharp, we say all this. It's not pointed. It is graphite. The answer is graphite. Graphite mixed with wax and clay. That is what we have as the lead of the pencil. It's a misnomer. It's not what it is. It is graphite mixed with wax and clay. Now we move on to the fifth question. What is the name of the German police force? What is the name of the German police force headed by Himmler in the days of the Nazis? What is the name of the German secret police force in the days of Himmler, when Hitler was heading Germany? It is Gestapo. The secret police force of Germany was known as Gestapo. Okay, we move on to the sixth question now. How much will 500 cubic centimeters of water weigh at 4 degrees Celsius? How much will 500 cubic centimeters of water weigh at 4 degrees Celsius? Yeah, 1 cc of water weighs 1 gram. 1 cubic centimeter of water weighs 1 gram. Hence, 500 cubic centimeters of water will weigh 500 grams or half a kg. 500 grams or half a kg is the answer. Okay. Now the seventh question. What is the chemical symbol of silver? What is the chemical symbol of silver? It is Ag. A is capital, G small letter. Capital A, small g, Ag, argentum. That's the full form. In short, the symbol is written as capital A, small g, Ag. We move on to the eighth question now. What name is given to the grassy plains, vast grassy plains in Russia. What is the name given to the vast grassy plains in Russia? The answer is the steppes. Steppes is the answer. A huge part of Russia is covered by these grassy plains. Russia, mainly it falls in the temperate zone. So they are temperate grasslands. And the grassland in Russia has a special name. It is known as the steppes. Okay, the next question. Who founded the Islamic religion? Who founded the Islamic religion? The Islamic religion is founded by Muhammad, the Prophet. Muhammad, he is messenger of the God, sent to spread the message of Islam all over the world. He is prophet and he is the founder of the Islamic religion. We move to the next question, the 10th one. What is the disease caused by the deficiency of iron in our blood? What is the disease caused by the deficiency of iron in our blood? It is anemia. The disease is called as anemia. Usually we say bloodlessness, bloodlessness. So the disease is known as anemia. The next question. Who are the 5 big men who are empowered with the veto power in the United Nations? Who are the 5 big men or big nations who are empowered with the veto power in the Security Council of the United Nations organization? Okay, they are America, the United States of America, Russia, Britain, France, and China. The 5 major powers of the world who are vested with the veto power in the Security Council of the United Nations organization are USA, Russia, Britain, France, and China. Okay, the 12th question. Name the river across which the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam has been built. Name the river across which the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam has been built. It is the river Krishna. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is in between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It's been built across river Krishna. So the answer is river Krishna. The next question. What would you be if you helped a surgeon in the operation theatre by enabling the patients lose consciousness for the oncoming operation? What do you call a doctor who helps a surgeon to conduct the operation by making the patients unconscious? Anesthetist. He is anesthetist. Before the operation is undertaken, the patient has to be made to become unconscious. So, the anesthetist, he is a doctor vested with special knowledge in that field. He enables the patient he enables the patient, he injects him or uses chloroform or any other method and makes him unconscious before he is subjected to the operation. The next question. Where is Mount Olympus? Where is Mount Olympus? The answer is Greece. The Mount Olympus is in Greece. It is the largest mountain. It is the tallest mountain too in Greece. They worship the mountain. They regard Mount Olympus as the place where Zeus, their chief god, resides. So the answer is Mount Olympus. The next question. To which country does Greenland belong? To which country does Greenland belong? Greenland is very close to North America in the northern part, and we always feel it's a part of North America. No, it's a part of Europe. It's a country which comes within the parameters of Europe. It belongs to Denmark. Denmark is a country in the continent Europe. Greenland belongs to Denmark. The answer is Denmark. The next question. Why are oranges a healthy food to eat? Why are oranges a healthy food to eat? Oranges are a rich source of vitamin C. Oranges are a rich source of vitamin C. By eating oranges, we get plenty of vitamin C. In the absence of vitamin C, we suffer from scurvy. we may start bleeding from the nose or from the lips. Usually, voyagers in the 14th, 15th, 16th centuries used to suffer from scurvy when they used to go a long way in the sea, because they were not getting fresh fruits that contain vitamin C. So oranges contain lot of vitamin C. The next question. You might have heard the name of the disease encephalitis. Encephalitis. What part of our body gets affected in encephalitis? What part of our body gets affected when we suffer from encephalitis? The answer is the brain. Encephalitis affects our brain. It's a disease wherein the brain gets inflamed. There will be swelling. There will be a lot of pain, inflammation. So the patient usually needs hospitalization. So encephalitis is a disease that affects the brain of the person. Next question. Which is the smallest living bird? Which is the smallest living bird? The answer is the hummingbird. The hummingbird of Cuba. This bird is about 2 inches long. Just about 2 inches long, and it is considered as the smallest living bird we find in the world. Okay, the next question now. When you write a letter to your friend, after you close it, you sometimes mention P.S. and write something. The letter is over, you have signed it, you remember something very special and specific, you want to remind your friend, you write P.S. there and write in front of that. What is P.S.? What is P.S. that you write at the end of a letter? P.S. stands for postscriptum. It means something added after the letter gets over. Something that you write very specifically in order to make your friend or someone to whom you have written the letter remember. You put P.S. there. Don't forget this. Please remember. So P.S. to draw your friend's attention specially and make him focus on that, you write P.S. and mention the point. P.S. means post, that is after, scriptum, after the letter is over. I have added something. Postscriptum, after the script, after the letter is over, it's been added. P.S. means postscriptum. Okay, the next question is, which is the highest mountain in Japan? Which is the highest mountain in Japan? The mountain is Fujiyama. Fujiyama. Fuji means, it's the name of that mountain, Fuji. Yama. Yama means mountain in Japanese language. Fujiyama. Fuji mountain. That is the highest mountain in Japan. It is an active mountain, but doesn't spit fire always. But once in 100 or 120 years, it starts spitting fire. And Japanese regard Fujiyama as a religious place. They worship Fuji mountain. They believe that the mountain has special powers. It is an active volcano. It is not a dormant volcano. It spits fire, say once in a century or so. Okay, the next question. Who is a jaywalker? Who is a jaywalker? Yeah, jaywalker is a pedestrian who is careless in his use of roads. Jaywalker is a pedestrian who doesn't care much about the rules and regulations of the traffic. Traffic rules he ignores and he just walks on the road freely without caring for the rules as such. He may cross the road at a place where he should not have done. He may just walk into the road itself and keep walking on one side. Actually, he should not have done that. Such people are called as jaywalkers. They don't have respect for the rules of traffic rules or rules of the road. Okay, next question. How many chambers are there in a frog's heart? Frog is an amphibian. Frog has heart. Heart pumps blood. How many chambers are there in the heart of a frog? A frog's heart has 3 chambers. It has 2 auricles and 1 ventricle. There are 2 auricles and 1 ventricle. Human heart has 4 chambers, whereas frog's heart has only 3 chambers. So in the ventricle, pure and impure bloods keep getting mixed. They keep getting mixed. They don't remain separate as in the case of human heart. What do we call a Jewish temple? What do we call the place of worship of Jews? You call the place of worship of Jews as synagogue. A synagogue is the place where Jews worship their gods and goddesses. Okay, the next question. Quicksilver and a planet. Quicksilver and a planet, they share a name. They share a name. What is it? What name do Quicksilver and a planet share? The word is Mercury. Mercury. Mercury is the planet which is the closest to the Sun. Mercury is the planet which is the closest to the Sun. On the other hand, Mercury is the name of Quicksilver. It's a very heavy metal. The density of mercury is 13.6 grams per cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter of mercury weighs 13.6 grams, whereas carbon is almost half of it. Iron is almost half of it. Iron is much lighter than mercury. Mercury is a liquid metal. It's a metal which is in liquid form and it has very high density. 1 cubic centimeter of mercury weighs 13.6 grams, whereas 1 cc of water weighs only 1 gram. So mercury is 13.6 times heavier than water. The next question. What is Panna in Madhya Pradesh famous for? What is Panna in Madhya Pradesh famous for? Panna is famous for diamond mining. Panna is known for diamond mining. It is in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Hi children, we are coming out with a series of video programs on quiz.